The 1937 Hunt Housecar is a pioneering recreational vehicle that stands out for its innovative design and historical significance. Created by John Roy Hunt, a multi-talented individual known for his work in Hollywood as a cinematographer and director, the Housecar represents a milestone in the early days of the recreational vehicle industry. John Roy Hunt, despite not completing third grade, had a diverse career that included racing cars and motorcycles, hunting, and building recreational vehicles. His passion for creating a comfortable home away from home led to the development of the Hunt Housecar. The 1937 model is particularly notable as it is widely regarded as the first private recreational vehicle with a functional shower, a feature that was groundbreaking for its time. The Housecar is built on the chassis of a 1937 Ford pickup truck, with bodywork crafted by a specialist auto shop in Southern California. Inspired by the stout Scarab and the Buckminster Fuller Dymaxion car, Hunt designed the Housecar with a bubble-shaped body clad in a fuselage-type skin made from 16-gauge steel. The design incorporated aircraft-inspired elements, such as a multi-panel windshield and a flush-fitting hatch, reflecting the aerodynamic trends of the era. Inside, the Housecar is compact yet functional. The entrance leads to a small kitchen equipped with an oven, toaster, small fridge, pantry, and even an electric razor, which Hunt offered as a standard feature. Behind the driver's seat is a bathroom with a dry design, featuring a chamber pot toilet that tucks away inside the wall, and a sink from a Pullman railroad car that folds up to drain and hide from sight. The rest of the interior includes a bedroom and a small dinette, with birch and oak paneling to create an airier space. Driving the Housecar was challenging due to its unique layout. To maximize interior space, Hunt moved the steering wheel and driver's seat forward, but left the gearshift behind, making shifting gears an acrobatic feat. Despite this, the Housecar's comfort and amenities made it a pioneering example of early recreational vehicle design. Hunt built an estimated 50 Housecars over a decade, but the 1937 model is the most famous due to its innovations and impeccable condition. The predecessor was a Willys delivery sedan modified with a bed, folding table, generator, and radio. The successor, created in 1941, featured an aluminum body and a two-cylinder steam engine mounted at the rear, though neither of these vehicles exists today. The 1937 Hunt Housecar was restored by David Woodworth, a renowned recreational vehicle historian, after being found abandoned in a junkyard. Woodworth offered the restored Housecar to the Recreational Vehicle Motorhome Hall of Fame Museum in Elkhart, Indiana, where it is now displayed. The museum's historian, Al Hesselbart, highlights the Housecar's significance in the evolution of recreational vehicle design. In summary, the 1937 Hunt Housecar is a testament to John Roy Hunt's ingenuity and foresight. Its innovative features, such as the functional shower and compact yet comfortable interior, set a standard for future recreational vehicle designs. Today, the Housecar is celebrated as a founding example of the modern recreational vehicle industry, showcasing the blend of practicality and creativity that defined Hunt's contributions to both film and automotive history.